the factorization theorem. In statistics, the factorization theorem is used to determine the sufficient statistics of any distribution. But how do we use the factorization theorem to determine sufficiency of any distribution? Or what is this factorization theorem? The factorization theorem states that the statistic is sufficient if and only if the PDF or the PMF of any distribution can be factored out into two components. That is x1, x2, xn. If it can be factored out into this, x1, x2 to xn, and this becomes the parameter, and stage x1, x2 to xn. So this is what the factorization theorem says, that a statistics is sufficient if and only if you can factor out that distribution into two components of this sort. This phi is a function that depends on the data x1, x2 to xn through the function mu x1, x2 to xn. So that is this. Also, and the function h x1, x2 to xn does not depend on the parameter theta. Of course, theta here is the parameter. So this is just the definition for factorization theory. That means h x1, x2 is equal to 1, since it does not depend on the parameter that will be given. So it can be equal to 1. But you may ask, how can we compute the factorization theory of any distribution? How can we do that? It's simply just to take the products. That means you factor out any distribution that is given. Once you factor it out to two distinct components, then you get your answer.